Good morning, friends. So after traveling for 468 kilometers from Bangalore, now I have reached Kodaikanal and I have checked into my homestay. The time now is 12 p.m. After changing and freshening up, I had my breakfast and I slept for a while. Now after becoming fresh, I am going out for local sightseeing. After leaving the city limits, in about 45 minutes, I saw this forest and decided to stop and venture inside. After walking for about 5 minutes, I came across this small stream and I decided to cross over and explore the other side of the stream. As I ventured further inside, the forest became dense, dark, and prettier. Since the weather has been bad and it was getting darker, I decided to call it a day and head back to the city. After reaching back my homestay and having had a cup of coffee, I decided to explore the over 1 acre farmland adjoining my homestay. Hi, good evening, friends. Some rest after a very long and tiring day. As you guys are aware, I left Bangalore around 2:20 in the morning and I rode the bike for almost 7 hours. By 9:30, I had reached my homestay, and in between, I had taken a 20 minutes coffee break. And thereafter, we stopped at that huge waterfall which was there very far away. And that another small waterfall which was there, cascading waterfall, which was next to the road over a culvert. The walk in the farm, midst of fruit-bearing trees and fresh air and oxygen, was a refreshing change from a hectic and polluted city life. My idea of travel is not to reach a destination and enjoy the sightseeing places it has to offer. I prefer also spending some time with the locals, tasting local cuisines, knowing about them, talking to them, and it gives me a sense of accomplishment of having seen that place, known what people do, what they eat, and what they are like. Good morning, guys. It's 6 a.m. and I just hope that it doesn't rain today as we have lots to travel. Hi friends, there you can see is Poombari village. It's early morning, so the sunlight has come and started falling on a few of the houses and it's looking pretty nice, beautiful. The farming you see, the step farmings, Very nice, very picturesque village. That's why it's famous. Our next stop is at Kookal. So let's go. To reach Kookal, you have to take a right turn on the Pundi road. Before reaching Kookal, on my left hand side I saw the small unnamed lake which was very pretty and which had as you can see green pastures on its bank. So I decided to take a break and just walk around the lake. As you can see, Kookal Lake is a huge natural lake, and like any other lake which I have seen, this one is also covered with lilies. After watching the Kookal Lake, this is 500 meters towards Kookal Falls. We are standing next to Kookal village. Again, a very picturesque village with lots of step farming giving different shades of green. Now we have reached close to Mannavanur Lake, which is right in front, I can see. So out here I was feeling hungry. It's already 9:30 and we found this small nice restaurant, open air with a beautiful view. So stopped here for my breakfast. Once I finish with my breakfast, then we'll go and see the lake. We are in Mannavanur Lake now. This particular place is owned by ICAR, Indian Council for Agricultural Research. So they are basically rearing rabbits and sheep here. We are on our way to Polur Falls, and on my way I saw this beautiful village. So I thought of taking a video with Terra in the foreground and the beautiful landscape village in the background. I've noticed that due to the abundance of water, there are lots of farming activities going on this side. The small cut in the fence is the entrance to the waterfall. You can hear the water. I wouldn't call it a trekking, just that it's come down. This is the first stage of the waterfall. From here, the water flows down and falls to the second stage. The second stage can be seen from a different position where we will go after this. This is the place from where we can see the second stage of the waterfall, which is much larger, and you can see the red star is the place from where we had taken the video for the first stage. Bro, where to see the waterfall from?
You have to see this.
Where, this way?
This way you have to see for long distance.
Okay, acha, that from that point.
Not that time. You have to see then left.
From here we can see.
Yes.
And how to reach the waterfall?
You walk go to 250 meters and then go downfall. It will just take a few minutes only.
Okay, we can reach the bottom of the waterfall.
Yes.
Now, having seen the waterfall from the viewpoint, we are going near to the waterfall. I can hear the sound of the water falling on the rocks. Let's see how far it is. Don't seem to be very far off. Let's see what view we get. Though it will be a much smaller view because that long fall which is there in this waterfall cannot be seen from here. For that you have to go to the viewpoint. After trekking so much, I'm feeling hot like hell. I'm sweating from inside. It's a very cold place. You can see the mist and all. So I'm wearing this warm dress, and this is the only thing. I removed all my jackets and everything I've removed. And still I'm sweating from inside. Oh, I feel like removing everything and dipping in this water. Oof, feeling so fresh now.